Hi students, in this session we are going to solve some another problem from depreciation. Here the problem number 4, Ramarao and Sons purchased a machine for rupees 1,40,000, purchased a machine for rupees 1,40,000 and spent rupees 10,000 for its installation, spent rupees 10,000 its installation. Here the original cost of the machine, original cost equal to purchase price, that means purchase price 1,40,000 plus and spent rupees 10,000 for its installation expenses. 10,000, 1,40,000 plus 10,000, 1,50,000. Here the cost of machine or original cost of the machine 1,50,000. Okay, the firm writes of depreciation at the rate of 10%, at the rate of 10% on original cost every year, original cost every year. Here straight line method is also called original cost method and fixed installment method. Straight line method is also called original cost method or fixed installment method. So here the books are closed on 31st December every year. 31st December every year. Prepare machine account. In case of purchase any machine, the journal entry is purchase any machine. The journal entry is machine account debtor to bank account. To bank account. Here the machine account. In machine account, the entry is entered in, here the machine debit. So in machine account, debit side to bank account. Write in to bank account. Okay, what is the amount? Original cost 1,50,000. 1,50,000 in brackets. 1,40,000 purchase price plus 10,000 installation charges. When 1/7/2011. The books are closed on 31st December every year. So 31/12/2011 by depreciation. See here, depreciation at the rate of 10% on original cost every year. Here the original cost 1,50,000. 1,50,000 into rate of depreciation 10%, 10 by 100 into here the machinery is purchased on 1/7/2011. Here 1/7/2011 to 31/12/2011. July to December, July, August, September, October, November, December, 6 months. So depreciation is calculated for 6 months. So 6 by 12, 1,50,000 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. Depreciation is 7,500. Now take the total in debit side. 1,50,000. Here also 1,50,000. The balance by balance carried on 1,50,000 minus 7,500. 42,000, 1,42,500. Same date, 31/12/2011. The balance transferred to next year. That is 1/1/2012. Next year means next day of this date. Next day of this date, 31/12/2011. Next day 1/1/2012 to balance brought down 1,42,500. The machinery value on 1/1/2012 1,42,500. 500. Prepare mission account for 3 years. Prepare mission account for 3 years. This is the first year, and at the end of second year, 31st 12/2012, same process by depreciation. Depreciation is calculated at the rate of 10% on original cost. Every year original cost 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 into 10 by 100. Look at here. First year purchase date 1/7/2011. Depreciation calculated on 31st/12/2011. Here 6 months. So 1,50,000 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. 6 months calculated. The 6 months depreciation is 7,500. In second year 1/1/2012 to 31st/12/2000. Here 12 months. Yeah, 12 months, 1 year, that is. So depreciation is calculated 1,50,000 into 10 by 100. So depreciation is 15,000. Now take the total in debit side. 1,42,500. Here also total 1,42,500. 1,42,500 by balance. Get it? 1,42,500 minus 15,000. 1,27,500. Same date, 31st/12/2012. The balance transfer to next year. Next year 1/1/2013 to balance brought down 1,27,500. Prepare mission account for 3 years. 2011 first year, 2012 third year, 2013 2011 first year and second year 2012 and third year 2013. Here also calculate depreciation for 1 year. 1/1/2013 to 31st/12/2013 by depreciation account. Say 1,50,000 into 10 by 100, 15,000. Here also calculate depreciation for 1 year, that is 1/1/2013 to 31st/12/2013. 1 year, 1,50,000 into 10 by 100, 15,000. Take the total in debit 1,27,500. Here also 1,27,500. Now the balance by balance brought down. 1,27,500 minus 15,000. 1,12,500. Same date, 31st/12/2030. Now the balance is transferred to next year. 1/1/2014 to balance brought down rupees 1,12,500. This is the answer. Now see the another sum. We'll see the another sum. Sum number 5. Sum number 5. Nag and Co purchased a plant. Nag and Co purchased a plant. Purchased a plant and plant and machinery for rupees 70,000 for rupees 70,000 on 1/1/2011 1/1/2011 and spent rupees 10,000 for installation expenses. Rupees 10,000 for installation expenses. Installation expenses. Depreciation is to be provided at 10%. Depreciation is to be provided at 10% on straight line method. On straight line method. The books are closed on 31st December every year. The books are closed closed 31st December every year. Every year. Prepare plant and machinery account for first 3 years. Prepare plant and machinery account for first 3 years. 3 years. This is the sum. Look at this. Nag and Co purchased a plant and machinery for rupees 70,000 on 1/1/2011. The machine was purchased for rupees 70,000 on 1/1/2011 and spent rupees 10,000 for its installation. So here the original cost of the machine, original cost of the plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. Purchase price machinery. So Nag and Co purchased a plant and machinery for rupees 70,000. So purchase price 70,000 plus and spent for installation price 10,000. So the total 80,000. This is the original cost of the plant and machinery. For the machinery account, plant and machinery account, plant and machinery account. debit, credit, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Okay, here Nagankko purchased a plant and machinery for rupees 70,000 1/1/2011 on 1/1/2011. If any machinery is purchased, the journal entry is here the purchase. What is purchase here? Plant and machinery. So the journal entry purchased for plant and machinery account it are plant and machine account debtor to bank account in plant and machinery account to bank account in brackets the purchase price 70,000 plus installation price 10,000. Original cost of the plant and machinery total 80,000. 70,000 plus 10,000, 80,000. Depreciation is calculated at, see depreciation is to be provided at 10% on straight line method. Straight line method means original cost. Depreciation is calculated every year in the original cost of the machine. So here the books are closed. The books are closed 31st December every year. So 31st 12/2011. Depreciation is calculated at the end of every year. So on 31st 12/2011 by depreciation. Here the cost of the machine 80,000 into rate of depreciation 10%. Rate of depreciation 10%. So 80,000 into 10 by 100. Here machinery purchased on 1/1/2011 and depreciation is calculated on 31st 12/2011. Here January to December 1 year. So 80,000 into 10 by 100. The depreciation is 8,000. 8,000. Take the total into debit side 80,000. The balance by balance carried down 80,000 minus 8,000 72,000. 31st 12/2011. This balance transferred to next year. Next year means next day of this date. Next day of this date 1/1/2012. 31st 12/2011. Next day 1/1/2012 to balance brought down 72,000. 72,000. The same way 31st 12/2012 by depreciation 80,000 into 10 by 100. Straight line method. Straight line method means every year depreciation calculated at the original cost of the machinery. Original cost of the machine is here 80,000. 80,000 into 10 by 100. 8,000. This is the first year depreciation and this is the second year depreciation. 72,000 by balance carried down 72,000 minus 8,000 64,000 the difference Same date, 31st/12/2012. So the balance is transferred into next year, 1/1/2013 to balance brought down 64,000. Here, prepare plant and machinery account for first 3 years. This is the first year and second year. This one is the last year. So 31st/12/2013 by depreciation. The depreciation is calculated in the same way, the straight line method, because this is a straight line method. 80,000 into 10/100. Straight line method is also called original cost method. Here the original cost 80,000. 80,000 into 10/100. 8,000. Now take the total in debit side, 64,000. Here also 64,000. The balancing figure by balance carry down, 64,000 minus 8,000, 56,000. 56,000. Same date, 31st/12/2013. This amount is transferred to next year, 1/1/2014 to balance brought down rupees 56,000. This is the calculation of depreciation for 3 years. Now solve the another problem. Problem number 6. Problem number 6. On 1st October 2013, Charan and Sons purchased a machine for rupees 90,000, and spent for rupees 10,000 for its installation. So the books are closed. The books are closed 31st December every year. 31st December every year. 31st December every year. The firm writes off depreciation. The firm writes off depreciation at the rate of 10%, per annum. Prepare machine account. For first 3 years. was 3 years. Yes, this is the problem. See here, look at this. On 1st October 2013, when 1st October 2013, Charan and Sons purchased a machine for rupees 90,000, for rupees 90,000 purchasing price, and spent for rupees 10,000 for its installation. The price of purchase 90,000 and the installation price 10,000. So the total 1 lakh. Original cost of the machine is 1 lakh. So here original cost of machine, purchase price 90,000 plus installation plus 10,000, total 1 lakh. Here the cost of machine is 1 lakh. Now follow the machine account. Machine account. Debit, credit, date, particulars, amount. Here also date, particulars, amount. Date, particulars, amount, debit side and credit side. Okay. On 1st October 2013, 1/10/2013, Charan and Sons purchased a machine for rupees 90,000 and installation price 1,000. So original cost of the machine here 1 lakh. The cost of the machine 1 lakh. With the purchase of any machine, the journal entry is machine account debtor. Machine account debtor to bank account. Machine account debtor to bank account. This entry is entered into machine account and machine account to bank account. You write to bank account. To bank account. In brackets purchase. What is the amount? Original cost 1 lakh. Original cost 1 lakh. That is 90,000 plus 10,000. 90,000 plus 10,000. Purchase plus 90,000 plus installation expenses 10,000. Total 1 lakh. Depreciation is calculated at the end of the year. At the end of every year. Here the books are closed 31st December every year. So depreciation is also calculated on 31st/12/2013. 31st/12/2013 by depreciation. Here the original cost of machine 1 lakh. 1 lakh into rate of depreciation at the rate of 10%, 10/100 into, see here, the machine purchased on 1st October 2013, 1st October 2013 to 31st December 2013. How many months here? October, November, December, 3 months. So depreciation is calculated for 3 months. 3/12. 1 lakh into 10/100 rate of depreciation 10%, and depreciation calculated for 3 months here, October to December. 3/12. 1 lakh into 10/100 into 3/12. 2,500. How to calculate? 1 lakh into 10 by 100 into 3 by 12. Simply 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. 3, 12, 4 times. Okay, 4 in 10, 2 times. 2 remainder. 20, 4 in 20, 5 times. 2 zeros, 2500. Depreciation is 2500 in the first year for 3 months. For 3 months. So take the total in debit side 1 lakh. Here also 1 lakh. The balancing figure by balance carried on. 1 lakh minus 2500 difference. 97,500. Same date 31/12/2030. Now this balance is transferred to next year. Transfer to next year, that is 1/1/2014. Next day of this day. Next day of this day. 31/12/2013. Next day 1/1/2014 to balance brought down rupees 97,500. Here prepare mission account for first 3 years. The first year and this one is second year 31/12/2013 by depreciation. By depreciation 1 lakh into 10 by 100. On 1/1/2014 to 1/1/2014 to 31/12/2014, 1 year. So depreciation is calculated for 1 year, 1 lakh into 10 by 100. That's equal to 10,000. The amount is 10,000. Now take the total and debit side 97,500. Here also 97,500. The balancing figure by balance 97,500 minus 10,000, 87,500. Same date 31/12/2014. Now take the balance into next year. That means 1/1/2015 to balance brought down 87,500. 87,500 in third year 31/12/2015, 2013, 2014, 2015 third year by depreciation. Original cost of the machine 1 lakh into rate of depreciation 10 by 100. Here also depreciation is calculated for 1 year, that is 1/1/2015 to 31/12/2015, 12 months. That is 1 year. 1 lakh into 10 by 100, 10,000. Here also the depreciation is 10,000. In first year depreciation calculated for 3 months, 1st October to 31st December, because the machinery is purchased on 1st October. At the end of the year, every year, the account is end on 31st December. So October to December, 3 months. Here depreciation calculated for 3 months, and second and third year, the machinery is utilized for year, total of the year, 12 months, for 12 months. So the depreciation is 1 lakh into 10 by 100, 10,000. Now take the total in debit side 87,500. Here also 87,500 by balance carried on. Rupees 87,500 minus 10,000, 77,500 500. Same date, 31st 12 2015. The balance transfer to next year. 1/1/2016 to balance brought down 77,500. This is the 3 years depreciation. The prepare machinery account for 3 years. The first year, and this one is second year, also this one is third year.